Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to add Bitcoin to your MetaMask wallet. Now, before we begin, let me explain a couple of things here. So MetaMask is one of the most popular wallets out there for cryptocurrency, but it is operating within the Ethereum blockchain. Now, why is that important, you might ask? Well, Bitcoin operates on a different blockchain. You cannot natively get Bitcoin on MetaMask. So you might be wondering, well, how can we get exposure to Bitcoin? It's quite simple. We need to open our MetaMask, right? We're going to use our Chrome extension here. So the thing here is that you can have indirect exposure to non-native Bitcoins by adding them so as a token. So as you can see, we have tokens here. Click on the three dots here on the right-hand side like so. You're going to have an option that say manage tokens. So do that. Type in BTC. There we go. So we can have exposure to wrapped Bitcoin, right? BNB pegged BTCB token, wrapped BTC. So there's a lot of wrapped BTC options here, but you want to get the first one. And as you can see, Bitcoin is here, but you cannot enable it. You cannot get a network. So the very best option is to get exposure to wrapped Bitcoin. So click that. There you go. Now wrapped Bitcoin is going to be on your network. If you click back here, and if you scroll down under token, you're going to see under low value tokens, it's going to be minimized. So click that. Wrapped Bitcoin is going to be there. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.